Alright, welcome to the trunk muscle video. You can see on this model we've got one picture straight on and one at an angle. On the right side of this model you see the more superficial muscles, and on the left side you see the deeper muscles, but really you have both muscles on both sides. So let's start with A. Here is the deltoid, that's your shoulder muscle. B here is your pectoralis major. C is pectoralis minor, it's found underneath pectoralis major. Subscapularis you'll see on the arm model. Right here, it's D on this figure, is the serratus anterior. And then the intercostal muscles are going to be in between your ribs. And again, you have both internal and external intercostal muscles all throughout. But on this, E is showing the external ones, they're going to be more superficial. And then G is the internal ones, they're going to be more deeper. F down here is the rectus abdominis, and then this is just another view of the external intercostals and the internal intercostals. Again, another view of pectoralis minor. And then this is your serratus anterior. You can think of it kind of looks like a big saw blade, sort of like a serrated knife. That's how it's got its name. Then we're going to move to this figure of the torso so we can see some of the abdominal muscles a little better. Again, A is pectoralis major, B is pectoralis minor, C is the rectus abdominis, that's your six-pack muscle, there's one on each side. Then for the abdominal muscles, there are actually three different layers of muscles. So the outer one here is the external oblique, that's E, and then D is showing you the internal oblique. And then the transversus abdominis, you really can't see on this model, you'll be able to see that on our cadaver. Then let's go to the posterior trunk. Again, one picture straight on and one is more of an angle. This allows us to see, so B here is the teres major and A is the teres minor. Should have started there. So A is teres minor and B is teres major. C you can see better here. So this is the spine of the scapula, and above that you have the supraspinatus muscle. And then D is your infraspinatus muscle. Your trapezius is this big muscle, and it sort of looks like a trapezoid. That's E. And then your rhomboid muscles are kind of in between your scapula and your vertebrae. So F is the rhomboid major, the bigger one. G is rhomboid minor, the smaller one. Also on the back we can see here latissimus dorsi, that's your large back muscle, and again there's one on both sides. Erector spinae we really can't see on this model. So again, be sure to do the practice test to get these all memorized.